Hello coin collectors and enthusiasts, welcome back to my channel where we delve into the intriguing world of numismatics. Today we're shining the spotlight on a modern British coin that's caught the eye of many collectors. The 2007 20p UK coin will explore its history, design and most importantly, its value in today's market. So if you're curious about this coin's worth or just love learning about unique pieces of currency, stay tuned. Let's start with a bit of history. The 20p coin was first introduced in 1982 as part of the UK's decimal coinage system. Replacing the old 10-shilling note, it was designed to fill the gap between the 10p and 50p coins. The 2007 version of this coin is particularly noteworthy because it features a unique design that distinguishes it from other years. In 2007, the Royal Mint made a slight tweak to the coin's design, which is something many collectors appreciate. The coin features a distinctive 12-sided shape, which makes it instantly recognizable and quite different from the usual round coins. It also boasts the classic British heraldic design with the value 20p prominently displayed. Now let's take a closer look at the design and specifications of the 2007 20p coin. The coin is made from a copper-nickel alloy, which gives it a silvery appearance and durability. It has a diameter of 21.4 mm and weighs 5.5 grams. The 12-sided shape is a key feature, making it stand out in any collection. The reverse side of the 2007 20p coin is adorned with a representation of the royal arms, showcasing the shield with the four quadrants of England, Scotland, Ireland and Wales. This design was created by the artist David Design and is one of the more recognizable symbols of British coinage. Alright, let's get to the exciting part, the current market value of the 2007 20p coin. As with any collectible coin, its value can vary based on several factors, including condition, demand and rarity. For a coin in good condition, which shows some wear but maintains clear details, you can expect it to be worth around $7,000. Coins in very fine condition, where the details are sharp and the coin shows minimal wear, can fetch between $10,000. If you have an extremely fine or uncirculated coin, the value can increase to $30 or even higher depending on the market trends. It's worth noting that while the 2007 20p coin isn't extremely rare, its unique design and 12-sided shape have made it popular among collectors. This popularity can drive up the price, especially for coins in mint condition. Now, if you're a collector or considering investing in the 2007 20p coin, here are a few tips to ensure you get the best value. The condition of your coin is crucial. Store it properly to avoid wear and tear. Use coin holders or capsules to keep it in pristine shape. If you believe your coin might be a valuable find, consider getting it authenticated by a professional. This can significantly impact its market value. Stay updated on current market trends. Values can fluctuate, so keeping an eye on auctions and sales can help you make informed decisions. Connect with other collectors through forums or local clubs. Networking can provide valuable insights and potential opportunities to buy or sell. And there you have it, a comprehensive look at the 2007 20p UK coin. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting out, this coin you'll want to know all about, so stick around as we explore its history, significance, and most importantly, its current value in today's market. Let's get started. First, let's dive into the rich history of this coin. The 100 francs 1955 coin was minted in France during a time of significant economic change. Post-World War II, France was undergoing reconstruction, and the franc was a symbol of national resilience. The 1955 coin is particularly noteworthy because it was part of the series designed by the famous French sculptor and engraver André Lavrilliere. The coin features a striking image of Marianne, the national emblem of the French Republic, on the obverse side, symbolizing liberty and reason. The reverse side showcases the French motto Liberté, Elite, Fraternite, liberty, equality, fraternity, alongside an intricate wreath and the coin's denomination. Now let's talk about the design and specifications of the 100 francs 1955 coin. This coin was struck in aluminum bronze, giving it a distinct golden hue that has helped it remain visually appealing even after decades. It has a diameter of 31 mm and weighs about 20 grams. The edges are smooth, which is somewhat unusual compared to other coins of the time that often featured reeded edges. One of the reasons this coin is so popular among collectors is because of its limited mintage. The 1955 series wasn't minted in large quantities, making it a relatively rare find today. But how rare is it, and what does that mean for its value? Alright, the part you've all been waiting for, the current market value of the 100 francs 1955 coin. In today's market, the value of this coin can vary quite a bit, depending on its condition, provenance, and the current demand among collectors. If you have a 100 francs 1955 coin in good condition, meaning it shows some wear but all major details are still visible, you can expect it to fetch anywhere between $10,000. Coins in very fine to extremely fine condition could be worth between $15,000. However, if you're lucky enough to have one in uncirculated condition, the value could go up to $20,000 or even higher depending on the current market trends. It's also important to note that the value of coins like these can fluctuate based on factors like global economic conditions, changes in precious metal prices, and even shifts in collector interest, so if you're considering selling or buying, make sure to keep an eye on the market. Now, if you're a collector or thinking about starting, here are a few tips to maximize the value of your 100 francs 1955 coin. Always try to keep your coin in the best condition possible, store it in a protective case, and avoid excessive handling. Get your coin authenticated by a professional, especially if it's in mint condition. This can significantly increase its value. Stay informed about the current market trends. Sometimes holding on to a coin for a few more years can yield a much better return. Join coin collecting forums or local clubs. Networking with other collectors can give you insights into the best times to buy or sell. And there you have it, folks. The 100 francs 1955 coin is not just a piece of history, it's a valuable 74 Australian 2 cents coin. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just getting started, this video will give you all the details you need, including the current market value of this coin in today's dollars. So stay tuned and let's explore. Before we get into the nitty-gritty of its value, let's take a trip back in time. The 2 cents coin was introduced in Australia in 1966 as part of the decimal currency system that replaced the old imperial system. The coin was designed by Stuart Devlin, a renowned Australian artist who was appointed as the official goldsmith and jeweler to the Queen in 1982. The obverse of the coin features the portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, as designed by Arnold Machine, which was used on Australian coins from 1966 to 1984. The reverse side showcases a frill-necked lizard, a unique and distinctive symbol of Australia's wildlife. This design has made the 2 cents coin a favorite among collectors. Let's move on to the design and specifications of the 1974 Australian 2 cents coin. This coin was minted in bronze, which gives it a distinctive reddish-brown color. It has a diameter of 21.59 mm, a thickness of 1.52, and weighs 5.18 grams. The coin's edge is smooth, which complements its simple yet elegant design. One interesting fact about the 2 cents coin is that it was part of Australia's coinage until 1999, when it was withdrawn from circulation due to the declining value of small denominations. However, these coins are still legal tender, though they are rarely seen in everyday transactions. Now let's talk about the most important part, its value in today's market. The 1974 Australian 2 cents coin, while not particularly rare, can still be a valuable addition to any collection, especially if it's in good condition. If you have a 1974 2 cents coin in good condition, meaning it shows signs of wear but all major details are visible, you can expect it to be valued at around $45,000. Coins in very fine to extremely fine condition could fetch between $50,000. However, if you have a coin in uncirculated or mint condition, its value could rise to $70,000 or even higher. While these values might not seem very high, the coin's true value lies in its historical significance and its place in a well-rounded collection. Remember, the coin market can fluctuate, so it's always a good idea to stay updated on current trends. Now, for those of you who are collectors or thinking about starting, here are a few tips to make the most out of your 1974 Australian 2 cents coin. Keep your coin in a protective holder or flip to prevent further wear and tear. This is especially important if you're hoping to preserve or increase its value. Research is key. Make sure you're aware of the coin's history and market trends. If you have a coin in exceptional condition, consider getting it authenticated by a professional. Consider building a complete set of Australian decimal coins. A full set, including coins from 1966 to 1991, can be worth significantly more than individual pieces. Join coin collecting groups or online forums. Engaging with other collectors can provide valuable insights and opportunities to trade or acquire rare pieces. And that's a wrap on our deep dive into the 1974 Australian 2 cents coin. It may be small in size, but it's certainly big in history and charm. Whether you're a novice collector or a seasoned pro, this coin is a fascinating piece of Australia's monetary past. If you found this video helpful, please give Hit a thumbs up, share it with your fellow coin enthusiasts, and don't forget to subscribe for more numismatic content. Thanks for watching, and happy collecting.